In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress webcam sale deal. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is open your AliExpress, and every day what you want to do is click on coins and select or collect your daily coin rewards right over here, which is going to be worth some money. You can also play and earn some diamonds, or you could also go ahead and merge boss. This is going to give you coins as well. Now, all you want to do is on the top, there's going to be a search button and simply go ahead and tap on that. Now, in this search bar, you want to simply go ahead and search for the product that you're looking for. So let's just say, for example, I want to get the best dealed webcams. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a webcam. Now, as you can see, it'll show you all the deals that you can get and a better discount with coins as well. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.